Hello and welcome. Today we're going to take a look at the Abso line of battery chargers from Kisae technology. Kisae manufactures battery chargers designed for both AC and DC inputs, as well as 12 and 24 volt systems. Today we're going to talk specifically about the AC powered 12 volt chargers. All of the features and benefits are the same for all three units, the only difference being the capacities. So here we have a 20 amp charger, a 40 amp charger, and a 60 amp charger. Which leads me to the first question of which one of these do you need? In simple terms, the size of your battery bank is going to denote what size charger you need. Kisae recommends the 20 amp charger for battery banks with less than 200 amp hours. This is going to be any battery bank that's comprised of mostly group 24, group 27, or 31 batteries. They recommend the 40 amp charger for battery banks between 200 and 400 amp hours. This would be any battery bank that might have one 4D or 8D battery as well as a couple of starting batteries. They recommend the 60 amp charger for battery banks over 400 amp hours. This would be a battery bank that's got a couple of 4D or 8D batteries as well as those starting batteries.